In this video, we discuss the numerical solution of two-dimensional heat equation. The partial differential equation dou u by dou t equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is known as two-dimensional heat equation. Consider a square region 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to y less than or equal to a, and assume that u is known at all points within and on the boundary of this square. If h is the step size of this square, then a mesh point xyt equal to ih, jh, nl may be denoted simply as ijn. In the increment of x and in the increment of y, we use the step size h, but in the increment of time t, we use the step size l. I, j, n are the number in which denote the mesh points. Since the two-dimensional heat equation having three independent variables, the domain containing a three-dimensional space, therefore we have a three-point component. Now, replacing the derivatives in equation 1 by the finite difference approximations, we will get left hand side equal to uijn plus 1 minus uijn divided by L. T is the third variable, n is representing the sufficient coefficient of t or the number corresponding to t. Therefore, dou u by dou t, while we write dou u by dou t, and the terms n plus 1 and n only changes, and the increment value in t is L. Therefore, the left hand side is uij n plus 1 minus uijn divided by L equal to c square into the next term is dou square u by dou x square. Ith component is corresponding to x, therefore the change appears only in the ith component. We can see that dou square u by dou x square is replaced by ui minus 1 jn minus 2i jn plus ui plus 1 jn divided by h square, plus next term is dou square u by dou y square. The jth component is corresponding to y, therefore in this term the terms of j only changes, hence corresponding to dou square u by dou y square, we write uij minus 1n minus 2 times uijn plus uij plus 1n divided by h square. We have taken h square common as outside. Now this expression can be simplified by multiplying throughout by L and transforming the term uijn to the right. We get uijn plus 1 equal to uijn plus alpha into ui minus 1 jn plus ui plus 1 jn plus uij minus 1n plus uij plus 1n minus 4 times uijn. 4 is coming from these two expressions. The coefficients are same, and this coefficient alpha is given by L into c square divided by h square. Now this equation requires 5 points on the nth plane to determine a point in the n plus 1th plane. The pictorial representation is given over here. To evaluate value of u at I, j, n plus 1, we use the points u, I, j plus 1 n, u, I, j minus 1 n, u, I minus 1 j n, u, I plus 1 j n, and u, I, j n. These 5 points are used to evaluate u at the point I, j, n plus 1. And all the 5 points lie on the nth plane. Now the computation process consists of point by point evaluation in the n plus 1th plane using the points on the nth plane. That is followed by plane evaluation. This method is known as alternating direction explicit method, or ADE method in short. Let us discuss the problem with an example. Solve the equation dou u by dou t is equal to dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square subject to the initial conditions u of x y 0 equal to sin 2 pi x into sin 2 pi y. X and y lies between 0 and 1. And next condition is u of x y t equal to 0 whenever t greater than 0 on all the boundary points using the ADE method with h is equal to 1 by 3 and alpha is equal to 1 by 8. Calculate the results for one time level. First we write the difference equation for the two-dimensional heat equation. It is given by ui jn plus 1 equal to ui jn plus alpha into ui minus 1 jn plus ui plus 1 jn plus ui I j minus 1 n plus ui j plus 1 n minus 4 times ui jn. In the problem it is given that alpha equal to 1 by 8. We substitute in this equation. We get ui jn plus 1 equal to ui jn plus 1 by 8 into the other terms. We can see that there are two terms of ui jn. The coefficient of ui jn over here is 1 and the coefficient of ui jn over here is minus 4 by 8. It is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. We simplify the term and we write ui jn plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 ui jn plus 1 by 8 into all other terms ui minus 1 jn plus ui plus 1 jn plus ui j minus 1 n plus ui j plus 1 n. Now the values in the first time level is given by choosing n equal to 0. We choose n equal to 0 in the above equation. We get ui j1 equal to half times ui j0 plus 1 by 8 of ui minus 1 j0 plus ui plus 1 j0 plus ui j minus 1 0 plus ui j plus 1 0. The values of u at the 0th level is tabulated below, using which we can evaluate the values at the first level. And it is given that h is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, and the value of x lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, the mesh points are at x equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 3, x equal to 2 by 3 and x equal to 1. Their corresponding I values are given by 0, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, y also lies between 0 and 1, y also having the increment 1 by 3. Hence, the mesh points corresponding to y are y equal to 0, y equal to 1 by 3, y equal to 2 by 3 and y equal to 1. The corresponding j values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. In the problem it is given that u of x y 0, that is the value of u when t equal to 0 is calculated by sin 2 pi x into sin 2 pi y. Or if we write it in the ij notation, uij0 can be written as or it is equal to sin 2 pi I by 3 into sin 2 pi j divided by 3. Let us calculate the value of uxy at each mesh point in the nth plane. Now when I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, we will get sin 0 into sin 0, the value is 0. When I equal to 1 and j is equal to 0, we will get sin 2 pi by 3 into sin 0. Since sin 0 equal to 0, this value is also 0. When I is equal to 0, whatever be the value of j, sin 2 pi I by 3 is going to be 0. Therefore, all values in the first column are 0. And the values in the first row are also 0, because when j equal to 0, sin 0 is going to be 0. The elements in the first row are also 0. When I equal to 3, we will get sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is again 0. Therefore, whenever I equal to 3, all the u values are 0. Also, when j equal to 3, sin 2 pi by 3 into 3, this term reduces to sin 2 pi. The value of sin 2 pi is 0. Therefore, the values in the last row are also 0. Now, it remains to calculate only 4 values. The values corresponding to I equal to 1 j equal to 1. When I equal to 1, sin 2 pi by 3 and j equal to 1 into sin 2 pi by 3. The values are root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 4, that is 0.75. When I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, the term becomes sin 4 pi by 3 into sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 4 pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2. Sin 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. The product is minus 3 divided by 4. The value is minus 0.75. Similarly, when j equal to 2 and I equal to 1, value is minus 0.75. When j equal to 2 and I equal to 2, the value is 0.75. Now we have got all the values in the nth plane or 0th plane. Now we are going to calculate the values in the first level or when n equal to 1. Since it is given that the boundary values are 0, u of x y t is equal to 0 at all boundaries, we can neglect the case of I equal to 0 and 3, because when I equal to 0 we are on the boundary, when I equal to 3 we are on the boundary, when j equal to 0 and when j equal to 3 we are on the boundary. In all these cases u values are going to be 0. Therefore, it is not required to calculate those values, and the remaining values are I equal to 1 or 2 and j equal to 1 or 2. We consider each case. First case is when I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Then the equation 1 reduces to u111 equal to half times u110 plus 1 by 8 times u010 plus u210 plus u100 plus u120. It is equal to half times 0.75. These values in the 0th level has been tabulated above. Using the corresponding values we get half times 0.75 plus 1 by 8 times 0 plus minus 0.75 plus 0 plus minus 0.75. The answer is 3 by 16 or it is 0.1875. Similarly, when I equal to 1 and j equal to 2, equation 1 reduces to u121 equal to half times u120 plus 1 by 8 times u020 plus u220 plus u110 plus u130. The values, all the 4 values has been tabulated, and u130 is 0 because it is a boundary value. We have substituted the values. We get the answer is minus 0.1875 or minus 3 by 16. Now when I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, equation 1 reduces to u211 plus half times u210 plus 1 by 8 times u110 plus u310 plus u200 plus u220. And the value is calculated as again minus 0.1875. Now the fourth case is when I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. Then equation 1 reduces to u221 equal to half times u220 plus 1 by 8 times u120 plus u320 plus u210 plus u230, and it is calculated as 0.1875. In the problem we require to calculate only the values in one time interval, hence we have done. If we require the values in the higher levels, in the similar approach we can calculate point by point in the next level. Now in this level all the required values are obtained, hence the solution.